Well, could you have done this story justice? This is from the Northwest Star. An outback green tree frog has almost made a full recovery after receiving life-saving medical treatment following a lawn mowing accident. A Mount Isa woman accidentally mowed over the amphibian, which resulted in a large gash on its face. The woman attempted to care for the frog by treating its wound with gauze from a first aid kit. The woman then contacted Deborah Pergolotti, resident of...
Just a normal one by the look of it.
To give up after my humpy on the Mount Isa a radio station up there.
Did they say no?
They said no.
Last week?
Powerball has a huge $3 million on offer this Thursday. What could you tick off your Powerball list for $3 million? Entry in store or buy
on pallets. Tomorrow.